To approach the situation as a nurse, I must become assertive, not to be overly aggressive with my introduction, but must observe the approach. Become more assertive means I must watch how the surgeon is operating to collaborate. I must make sure that I can cover his needs without damaging the relationship, or most importantly, assert a problem-solving style to communicate with the surgeon. I would approach the surgeon with a general introduction of myself. That way, you can remember my name instead of calling me nurse. By introducing myself, I make a pool of shared meaning between communication or meaning making options to easily communicate with me later. I would say, hello, my name is Rico Rodriguez. I'm a new nurse here to assist you with the operating room. Listen, if you have any concerns or if there is anything you would like for me to do to assist you in, I would do my best to accommodate you. I may have a few questions because I am open to many suggestions. If I do anything wrong, just tell me. I will not get offended. For the second problem, speak up. Dr. Tyrant, I've noticed that you have fired 3 nurses. That is not the issue. The issue is the time manner that it takes to take care of patients. Letting go of some of our nurses, the patient's life is being put at risk. As a nurse, I highly advise not getting rid of any other further staff. We need nurses on the floor to accommodate our patients. Our patients need care due to the shortage of nurses in our staff. I can accommodate to resolve this crisis due to the shortage of nurses. How would you like me to help you? Then I would contact HR about the tyrant doctor. The advantage of speaking to the doctor directly is taking problem solving the approach. So for 3. However, the disadvantage is causing trigger conflict while having a conversation. Likely, the incompetent doctor may take criticism as a way to attack his or her personality. I have to be patient and use diplomacy by making it blatantly clear in a calm way what he was doing wrong, state the facts, if he can fix it, if I can help him, this, that, and the third, yada, yada, yada. I must be aware of defensive behaviors that lead to conflict. Speaking directly to the boss is an advantage as long as you can collect the facts. Speaking with the boss will allow proper assertiveness to solve a problem or compromise the solution. The disadvantage can be a negative if I do not clarify perceptions with my boss about the incompetence with the employee I work with. The incompetent doctor may see me going to the boss as a suspicious play, and this may create more conflict.